A very good morning to all of you. Today we are going to learn the second chapter, Kulashya Acharya. Right from the ancient time in Sanskrit, the fables. What do you mean by fables over here? The meaning of fable is a short story that gives you the message. Literature have been popular in Sanskrit literature. Whether it is a Chatak tale or Panchatantra or Hitopadesh, in every book, animals are the character through which different tales has been examined written. Fables are created even today. One such fable is presented over here. A bird called Chatak drinks only rainwater. This is a tradition of a Chatak race. Every child born into a Chatak family follows his tradition till today. Once, when a child of Chatak family is so troubled by thirst that not heeding the advice of his mother, he gets ready to break this tradition. By chance, he hears the conversation between a poor farmer and his son. Inspired by the conversation that he hears between the poor farmer and his son, he goes back to his mother and shows his willingness to follow the customs of his race. From this story, we will be inspired to follow the age-old traditions and customs in order to make our life better. Though animals are made the object, ultimately the advice is given to the man. The first line, Ekah Chatak Shishu Asit. Ekah का मतलब होता है once. Chatak Shishu over here is a child of Chatak bird. Asit was. Once there was a child of Chatak. Sah, he, ekda, once, trushya, thirst, piditah, suffering. He was once suffering from thirst. Jananya, mother, samipam, near, vrajanti, went. Vadati, says, cha, and he went near the mother and said, Amba, mother, trusha, thirst, ma, me, pidayati, suffering. Mother, I am suffering from thirst. Aham, I, jalam, water, patum, drink, ichhami. मी का मतलब होता है I और इच का मतलब होता है wish. I wish to drink water. Samprati, at present. Megh jalam, rainwater. Na, not. Militi, is found. At present, rainwater is not found. Ataha, so. Tadag jalamev, the water of pond. Patum, drink. Ichhami, me again, I wish to drink the pond water. Janani vadati, mother said, Balaha, son, Vayam, we, tu, Megh jalam evam pibam, Tadag jalam na pibam. We, Megh jalam, that is rainwater, pibam is drink, Tadag jalam, the pond water, na का मतलब होता है not, pibam का मतलब होता है drink. We drink rainwater and not the pond water. Eshaha, this, asmakam, ours, kulasya, culture, achara. This is our culture. Ataha, so, tvayam, you, tadag jalam, rain, pond water, patum, drink, na, not, saknoti, possible. So, it is not possible for you to drink the pond water. Now, take the second paragraph. Chatak Shishu, the baby Chatak, Kathayati, said, Amba, mother, Mahati me trusha. Mahati का मतलब होता है I am very. Trusha का मतलब होता है thirsty. Mother, I am very thirsty. Adhuna, now, Akashe, in the sky, Meghan, clouds, na, not, Pashyami. Pashya का मतलब होता है seen and me का मतलब होता है I. At present, I cannot see Meghan. Meghan का मतलब होता है clouds in the sky. कदा मेघः वर्ष्यति. कदा when मेघः rain वर्ष्यति. When it will rain. कदा अहम and when मेघजलं पातुं शक्नोति. शक्नोमि over here is possible for me. Patum to drink. Megh jalam over here is the rain water. And when it is possible to drink the rain water. Iti na janami. Na का मतलब होता है not. Janami over here is no. मी का मतलब होता है I. अतः तृष्या. अतः so. तृष्या thirsty. पीड़ितः suffering. अहम I. तडाग जलम pond water. पातुम गच्छति. पातुम गच्छामि वय्य. गच्छ का मतलब होता है गो. मी का मतलब होता है आई. सो आई एम गोइंग टू ड्रिंक द पॉन्ड वाटर एज आई एम थर्स्टी. जननी मदर. पुनरापि. अपि का मतलब होता है ऑल्सो. पुनरम का मतलब होता है अगेन. चातक शिशु द बेबी चाइल्ड. बोध्यति एडवाइस. Mother again advised the Chatak baby. Balaha son. Na ayam asmakam kulachar. No, not ayam this asmakam as kulachar culture. O son, this is not the culture of our family. Kulacharaha culture sadev rakshitam. Protect. Rakshitavaya over here is protect. सदैव का मतलब होता है always. कुलाचार का मतलब होता है culture. So always protect your culture. अतः so त्वम you तडाग जलम pond water पातुम न अर्हसि. You cannot go drink the pond water. तृष्या सहनम. तृष्या का मतलब होता है thirst. सहनम का मतलब होता है bear. कृत्वा. So bear the thirst. मेघस्य प्रतीक्षाम and wait for the rain. And bear the thirst and wait for the rain to come. Jananaya mother. Kathayam saying. Ashrutva. Shrutva का मतलब होता है hearing and ashrutva का मतलब होता है not hearing. चातक शिशु baby child. तडाग जलम pond water. पातुम to drink. तडागम that is the pond. गंतुम to go. Nirgachati went. Not listening the saying of the mother, the baby Chatak went to the pond to drink the pond water. Margen parishrantah. Margen का मतलब होता है on the way. Parishranta to take rest. Saha he yada when ekasya krushasya. एकस्य over here is of one. स्या का मतलब होता है of one. Of that is. And Krushasya over here is of the farmer. Gruhasya is of the house. Samipya over here is near. Tishtati that is stood. Tada then. Tataha putrayo. Tataha putrayo over here is the father and the son. Vartalapam that is the conversation. Shrunoti heard. And he heard the conversation between father and the son. Krusha